So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to submit assignments and different problems that might come along the way as you're doing it on a computer this time. So in here is my fake classroom. I've gone ahead and I've gone to the assignments tab. That's where all my assignments are placed. Don't ever look in the files tab because there are never any assignments there. All my assignments are in the assignments tab. So you go ahead and click that, and then you can see all the assignments that are due. And here is my test assignment that I need to complete. It's due tomorrow, and it's worth 1,000,000 points. So I'm going to go ahead and do it. So you're going to click it. All my assignments are arranged the same way. All my reference materials are up here. So for example, if you click the reference material, here is the instruction sheet. You can read the instructions. Perfect. Sometimes under reference materials are other resources that you might use to complete the assignment, like this useful chart here. And notice how I can't edit anything in here. That's because it's a reference material. All right, and underneath are my response sheets. And underneath here is my work. And underneath the My Work section is the response sheet. That's where you can edit and respond to the assignment. Now at this point, I'm going to assume that you're doing this on a computer. And so I'm going to show you two different ways that you can do this on a computer. So the first way is if you go to the ... and you click it, you can go to Open in Word Online. You can go ahead and click that. Don't forget to log in. And it takes you to the response sheet. And here you have all the features of Microsoft Word. You can change the font. So I'm going to choose Comic Sans. You can change the font size. I'm going to make it 12. You could make it bold. You could make it italicized. You can write your response here. Okay, I am writing my response here. This is my answer. All right, then I roll down on the response sheet, and I am writing my response here. And now it is done. I want to draw your attention to the top over here. You can see that it's saving as you go. Wait until it says saved, and that's how you know your entire document is saved. Now you can exit this document. And if I exit it, and then I go back to this document and open up Words Online, it will remember what you have written. You can add extra stuff. I will add extra stuff. And it will save. And now it's saved. You can now close up this document. And you can always just turn it in live. And then now that you know it's saved, you can hit turn it in, and you can turn it in that way. Now the other way that you can do this assignment is if you go down, and if you choose to hit download, you can do that as well. So if you go ahead and download it, you're now downloading a copy of the response sheet onto your computer. You're going to go find it. All right, and so I've pulled up the copy that I've downloaded, and then I'm going to hit enable editing, and you can do it on your computer. I did this one on my desktop and not online. All right, now the thing about the desktop version is that it doesn't automatically save for you. So before you submit it, you're going to need to save your own copy. So I'm going to go File. I'm going to go Save As. All right, I'm going to choose a place for where I'm going to save it. So I could save it on this PC, but I'm going to save it on my OneDrive. And I'm going to call this Mr. Au's response to the question. And you hit save. And you know you've done a good job when the title of the top has changed to whatever you've called it. So in this case, Mr. Au's response to the question. Now, if you're going the desktop route, remember, this is on your desktop, and it's not actually uploaded onto the assignment. So you're going to need to go back onto Teams, and here is Add Work. You're going to have to go Add Work, and you're going to need to go and find your assignment. Now, if you uploaded it onto your computer, you're going to have to click Upload this device, click it, and then go find it. Although I know that I saved it in OneDrive. So here it is, Mr. Au's response to the question. Click that. Don't forget to hit attach. And this is important. You got to wait for that little blue bar to go all the way. All right, now this is really important. Regardless of whether you chose to do it on the desktop, like this person, or you chose to make the changes online, live, double check your response before you submit it. You definitely don't want to hand in a blank document. Once you've double checked everything, go and hit Turned In. Oh look, unicorn. Now, suppose you made a mistake and you were like, oh shoot, I actually needed to add something else. Well, that's no problem. All you need to do is you have to click Undo Turn In, and you're going to see this working on unlocking. At this point, you need to actually refresh this. So in order for you to do that, you're going to go and click your team, go back to your classroom. What I recommend you do is you click the Assignments tab up on the top. And as you can see, there's nothing here. That's because it's been moved down to completed, so click completed to expand it, and there's your assignment. You can go ahead and click it, and that'll bring you back to that turn in screen. And at this point, you can go back to Microsoft Teams Online, change your response. Oh shoot, I am sorry. I actually should have said that I completed this document online, live. And again, wait for the saving to change to saved. All right, good. Close it up. Go back to Teams. Double check your response sheet. Okay, good. This is my change. Perfect. Double check once again and turn in. Now, if you did the attachment route and you already sent it in and you want to change something, you can actually go and click the ... Click Open in Word Online. And you can make your changes. I'm going to go, but I made corrections online. Again, wait for the saving, turn to saved, close it, double check your response. Perfect. All right, now you hit turn in, and you're good to go. And alternatively, if you have a photo that you want to add to your Word document, you can always find your photo, right-click it, click Copy Image. Your image is now copied. Go back to Teams, go to your assignment. So then at this point, you can go back to your response sheet. I'm going to go right-click. I'm going to hit Paste. And oh, it's giving me this angry message. Your browser can't access the clipboard, so use the shortcuts. Okay, I want to paste, so then it's Control plus V. So I'm going to hit Control and V at the same time. There's my photo. Make sure it's saved. Close it up. Go back to Teams. Double check your response. Perfect. My picture is here. Hit close. And then turn it in. That's how you use the computer to submit assignments online, and how you can fix any mistakes in your submissions.